Hey, how are you guys doing? We're prototyping here at Big Papa Smokers, and I figured it'd be a great chance to show you how we do it and what we do. So we get 2 Chairman's Reserve prime flat irons. I like flat irons. When we're cooking, we either want to use the oven, maybe a skillet, or the griddle. We don't want anything that adds flavor. We don't want any smoke, any charcoal. So we're going to be cooking these on the griddle, although normally I would grill them, but we want to make sure we got it. So we have one that's going to be double secret right here. Our standard for steak and many other places. So now, if you notice, I've told you before, double secret has big salt. It's not a high sodium rub. It's a very good quality sea salt. So what we want to do is we want all the other ingredients to get their space on the meat. And as the moisture comes up, the salt will melt and create a dry brine or salt cap. So let's move this over here. And I can't tell you what this is, except for codename Tres Amigos. Codename Tres Amigos. It might be in the Hallelujah family. You know, we've got bacon, maple Hallelujah, we've got regular Hallelujah, and we have Hallelujah Lime now, which has been so good and so great for vegetables and everything. So I'm going to get a nice good coating on this. Pat her down. So this way we'll be able to do a real good solid A/B test. And I've got a secret weapon here. My wife, little Louie, Stace Louise, she's the taster. And she is hard on me. So here we go. We're going to set these aside and let them sweat, shine, and then we'll take them outside and cook them. Okay, here we go. You know we're doing the Tres Amigos test versus the double secret. Here we go, some nice oil. I have the griddle set to 450. I want to get a good sear on it. I don't want to burn it because I'm really trying to taste the flavor here. The double secret, Tres Amigos. In fact, let's do it this way. Little pro tip coming up. Want to make it a little oven. Taking this half pan. Look at that. So this will make sure that I get it cooked through. This will be really good. So what you want to do is just to get an idea of what I got going here. Cardi 110, 103. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. About 5 minutes, I'll come get you guys. Okay, kids. Let's see how my feel for this food is. About 135. Oh, that one's a little hotter. 144, that's fine. Okay, here's the double secret in the green. Tres Amigos on the gold. Okay, let's let it rest. See how nice this cleans up. Okay, so remember we're prototyping rubs. We have Tres Amigos and double secret. So let me start by slicing the double secret. Here we go, kids. Look at that. That looks beautiful. Let's move it over to the side. Here we go. Tres Amigos time. I think either way we're going to have a nice dinner. What do you guys think? Tres Amigos for a good look. And there's the double secret in both of it. So let me just do the first bite here of the test. Hold on. Double secret, you can tell a mile away, and it's beautiful. Really good complexity, really great. I think it might be too spicy for Louie, but we'll find out. Thanks a lot, kids. We got the double secret, we have this. I don't have any changes to make this. You're going to be seeing this on the shelf. Tres Amigos. Tres Amigos. Is it jalapeno, chipotle, and serrano? Might be.